Union Home Minister Amit Shah COVID-19 akiso kilong. Thomke prapliang deng Karbi nimso ching thora song amahang githek ani dongka muka malong katalon. KSA Tikilangjun head branch pen mask lapen hand sanitizer kiron. Kardom kat news abirta thanbang nili junaliti mungbi non birtang don pen arju ikha. Pai ni pai hinia ni Delhi rong sopialong Union Home Minister COVID-19 ki so aphan satlang NC positive ke klang. Pirthia long ki umpluk COVID-19 awarded pialong kilong duna phai lake lakri troxira suripoke pra pharo troxira inkoira ke thoman letanglo. Lason si pai ni pai hinia ni Union Home Minister Amit Shah tami positive angthek nang klanglo nonamat Delhi hospital along selang pon bom lang pusi pirta riptonlong. West Karbi Anglong dong kamuka marong supialong thomke prapliang deng Karbi nimso chingthura song amahang githek pai ni phai sia ni katalon abirta kat news sa hemalong birta nangle. West Karbi Anglong dong kamuka malong suri hinira inkoyaning kana farman thomke prapliang deng Karbi nimso chingthura song amahang githek katalon ania jai megalong KNCA West Karbi Anglong Regional Committee dunmai phi sermili terang pi pen lama kapang jara phi chong KNCA Central Committee Kongchun Bangphi Pratima Inki Pensi Autonomous State Movement La Pen Soalo Parman Kachisong Pen Hapran Kidang Kalitang Atumapan Kachikimoang Deng Japonsi Melu Methek La Pen Mir Pen Chikimo Ponlo Det Piangkang COVID-19 Kiso Agurajok Weekly Lockdown ng Bongsi Katalon nang Lasi armu kacitong kasiksak kitoko kajok alilalon kacipinang jia kisung ang bongsi pacun ponlo pusi birda pacini. Lapen lapu Karbi Anglong along dokmoka Regional Committee penke Kolonia long si katalon asai padopon. KNCA Central Committee dun pi reka terang pi pensi lama pangjar ponlo lapen sukuri rong parpi pen japonsi kalitang atumapan kacikimo padopon. Laso amai long kacitong dun abang pia tumpen maita paduponsi katalona jai mek mesen pen kapachun pona birta diptun long. Lombajong Youth Development Committee asong atum pai ni phai sia ni phoang deng amhang githek arni pen pachitonsi dipulang mili hawara taphan mask la pen hand sanitizer kirona sai kepadupon. LYDC phoang deng amhang githek arni dipulang mili hawara taphan LYDC asong mai pudhon rong pharpen kachipa hempu amai along alhisar puaman pen Karbi Autonomous Council Jinfit Chairman Joni Timung chitong dunsi LYDC asong ingdeng phom hangithek ani amen pen mask la pen hand sanitizer hai hu rong arat tatumapan kirona sai kideng ang pada Jinfit Chairman hin pen COVID-19 ki so vor pen kosong sikaching rai nang jima lahaya puthak than pon lapen nona son takhaksi kiwang jia ni sitami LYDC asong penun an rong arataphan hand sanitizer lapen inghoi nukan kachidip appe hai hui ron pon thu bom ji pusi LYDC amai phu pen pachini non manom so por phan birta moi ton peksena.
Want to increase the productivity of your crops or thinking to buy machinery tools and agricultural equipment? Here's the one-stop destination for your needs. Hanse Agricultural Machinery and Tools Private Limited and Hanse Automobile Private Limited is here to fulfill all your needs. Here you will get 3 wheels auto rickshaw, auto truck, tractor, power tiller, tempo, etc. Facilities and tools available are water tank, 2-wheel farm hand tractor with reaper, H-wheel, land leveler, cultivator, rotavator, hydraulic trailer, etc. For loan facility and further details, please contact at 7002045078 or 9854923592. Hanse Agricultural Machinery and Tools Private Limited and Hanse Automobile Private Limited, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong.
Ganj Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam enterprise under Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi, Assam.
Dihina mo piputot birta along wangtlo. Kidamtang pai ni paisia ni KSA tikilang jun head branch pen kulat kibila pen rong atata tumaphan mask la pen hand sanitizer kirona birta kat news along nangli. Pirthi along ki umplup COVID-19 na kiso avur pen chupa jok thek dia phan po thepi en ponsi rong malom la pen tikilang jun ahawar malom kulat ka chubia tumaphan ingho along ka chidip amax la pen ria long ka chihi sanitizer kirona sai padopon jasimet pet rong malom atata phan koson sila so avur pen chupa jok dunang ji ma putha rong atata tumaphan than mum tekang lupusi birtanang pale Pini Karbi Prime Time ang gilapon sa kang ton po iglo, dumithak mi, kurwang tu.